everyone, my name is Margarita Vega, Sales Associate at Midtown Honda, and I have some great news to share with you, so make sure to keep on watching to hear our gift to you this 2020. Presenting to you the all-new 2020 Honda Odyssey Touring, which is without a doubt an exceptional minivan that you and your family will love and enjoy. The Odyssey is proof that a minivan can be much more than a practical family shuttle. Its comfortable and roomy cabin has a touch of sophistication, and its upscale technology such as cabin talk and cabin watch bring a rare touch of class to this trip. Powered by a 3.5-liter V6 VTEC engine and its 10-speed automatic transmission that generates 280 horsepower gives it that special kick you desire. Now, you may be asking, what makes the 2020 Honda Odyssey Touring the best purpose family vehicle in its class? The interior of the Honda Odyssey is like everyone's happy place. It has never been so impressive. Let's start with its power sliding doors, which open wide for easy cargo loading and passenger entry. The innovative Magic Slide second row seats allow convenient access to the third row. Don't worry about those pesky little messes because this Honda Odyssey comes with a built-in vacuum cleaner, making it easy for you to clean. Other great features include wireless charging zone, push-button start, heated and ventilated seats, moonroof, remote vehicle starter system, and a hands-free power tailgate. Elegance meets innovation with the Odyssey, and its ultra-modern design makes it stand out from the rest of the minivan crowd. The Honda Odyssey is equipped with cutting-edge technology to make your ride more convenient and connected. It offers standard infotainment features such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot for its passengers. This 2020 Honda Odyssey Touring is definitely your next choice. It's stylish, it's dynamic, it's athletic, it's longer, lower, and wider. Come and take a test drive and experience it for yourself. We're always here to serve you at Midtown Honda, located at 3400 Dufferin Street across Yorkdale Mall. Thank you for watching this video and drive safe.